So I have found a simple solution to the chicken water issue that I've been having. How to get the water to the chickens without having to be there constantly because they are drinking it faster than I can fill it. Thought about it. You go and you buy a potted plant and the water never goes over that little dish in the bottom. They were onto something. So what I did was, using that theory, I took a bottle, cut a hole at the bottom of it, this little dish. The water stops. My chickens have enough room and the depth so they can get their water. It's going to be clean, hopefully, and I won't have to refill it every 10, 15, 20 minutes. It'll be great. Y'all have a great day.
That's my homemade feeder and my self-watering. Chickies seem to like it.